Here's what SOS means on your iPhone and how to fix it. Now you can see at the very top right here, it says SOS. And if I swipe down from the top right, it says SOS only. The reason why this shows up is because essentially this means you have no network signal. It says if you see SOS or SOS only, your device isn't connected to a cellular network. AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, whatever you might have, it's not connected to it. So to reconnect to it, let's head into your settings here. And you can see right under Bluetooth, let's tap on cellular. Now, the reason I was able to have that pop up is because I essentially turned my line off. So turned off my eSIM. Now, if you have an eSIM on here, you can make sure you just turn it back on. Or let's say you just got your iPhone and you haven't set it up with your carrier yet. You could always tap on Add eSIM, and all new iPhones allow you to set up an eSIM instead of a physical SIM card. You can hit transfer from a nearby phone, or you can hit use QR code. This will allow you, if your carrier just gave you a QR code, you can kind of scan that QR code or hit enter details manually. Just enter in the details that your carrier gave you to be able to connect to your phone to their network. And then you can see the address, activation code, etc. After you go through that process, let me go back. It will show that you have a line with a phone number and it has your SIM card. Now, once you have that SIM card, you'll be able to make and receive calls. I can swipe down from the top right here. You can see I have AT&T. After you go through all of this process, if you still see that SOS or SOS only, you potentially are in somewhere that there's no signal. So you might be in a desert or mountain somewhere where there's no cell towers nearby. And SOS only essentially means it might use other networks or satellite connections to make and receive calls if they are an emergency. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.